I want you to dare to dream. And I want you to dare to dream what's possible. See, I think sometimes what it is that we've done is with our students, we have trained and taught them that they should go to college. And I do believe that. I'm a college graduate. But what I don't want you to do is go to college to come out and get a job. I want you to change your mindset for a minute. I want you to go to school, learn a skill, get a degree, and come out and create a job. That's an entirely different mindset. Again, we're talking about you being relentless. You putting yourself in a position where opportunities will find you. I remember, and this is what I always tell students, if a kid from West Philly, 4247 Locust Street, apartment 316, 5 of us in a 2-bedroom apartment, if I can do it, there's no reason why you can't do it either. So just know that there's going to be many bumps in the road. In order for you to get that degree, in order for you to get across the finish line and do this in 4 years, no matter where it is that you're going to be in your journey, it's going to be hard. So here's what I want you to do, because I think sometimes parents, and I'm coming straight up your alley, I think sometimes what we do as parents we try to protect our kids, and that is our job as parents. That's our job as school administrators. But if truth be told, we can't protect them for forever. There are some things that they're going to have to experience. There's some things that they're going to fall down, they're going to bump their head, but they're going to be okay. It's going to be some things that they're only going to be able to learn from experience. You see, and I got a master's degree. I just believe that sometimes the best teaching moments in life don't come in the classroom, but it's through your actual experience.